Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to online class brought to you by St. Javier School, Khulna. How are you, dear students? I expect that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also Alhamdulillah. Dear learners, I think that you have got your weekly routine in due time and you all are prepared to take part in my English class. Today I am going to conduct a class for class 10 English second paper. Okay, dear students, let's go to start our today's session. Welcome, dear students. This is my identity I have already given you. What are you seeing in the slide? This is a bag, right? Yes, bag, and this is tag. Okay. This is bag and this is tag. So a bag with a tag, right? Just see, he is a student. He is a student, isn't he? Okay. What is this? Do you know? Yes, this is tag question. You are right. This is tag question. So today we are going to learn, or we are going to discuss in our class tag question. Today our session is tag question English second paper unit 8 part 1. Learning outcome. After we have started this lesson, we will be able to define tag question, identify tag questions, identify tag operators, applying tag, different use of tag. Okay. After completing this session, we will be able to define tag question, identify tag operators, apply tag, different use of tag. You are Jason, aren't you? Tag, anything, adding something with other. What is tag? Tag, that is adding something with other. Aren't, that is adding something with other, right? So we can say aren't you, that is tag question. So we can say in this way the definition of tag question. A tag question is a question that is used at the end of a statement to gauge the support from the listener. Okay. What is the definition of tag question? The definition of tag question is a tag is a question that is used at the end of a statement to gauge the support from the listener. That is tag question. Dear learners, please write down this definition in your notebook, please. What is tag? A tag is a question that is used at the end of a statement to gauge the support from the listener. Please do it quickly. A tag question is a question that is used at the end a statement at the end of a statement to get the support from the listener. a computer operator. Tag question. Am is are, was were, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, have, has, had, must, what, dare, need. Do, does and did used in action verb. This is modal auxiliaries and auxiliaries verb. Am is are, was were, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, have, has, had, must, ought, dare, need. Okay. Do, does and did used in action verb. Track question basic or contraction from the operators. Am not, that is not. Am not, am not, aren't or ain't. Am not, you will always use are not. Okay. Am not, that is aren't. Am not, aren't, is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, will not, won't, shall not, shan't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, may not, mayn't, might not, mightn't. This is construction form of the operators. Okay, dear learners, please write in a notebook. I am again read the students for your better understanding. Am not, aren't, is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, will not, own, shall not, shan't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, may not, mayn't, might not, mightn't, must not, mustn't, has not, hasn't, have not, hadn't, had not, hadn't, do not, don't, does not, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, what not, whatn't, dare not, daren't, need not, needn't. So we'll go to next slide. Mahabuba was our good friend. Mahabuba was our good friend. So wasn't she? The answer will be wasn't she. Mahabuba was our good friend, wasn't she? How to form a tag question? Structure in positive sentence, sentence or statement. Hassan is a truthful boy, isn't he? Hassan is a truthful boy, isn't he? Statement plus operator plus don't plus subject plus proper noun plus note of indication. Question marks. Hassan is a truthful boy, isn't he? So the structure will be firstly you have to write statement, then plus operator plus not plus subject, you have to put on pronoun, then question marks. Okay. Structure in negative statement. She is not my mother. She is not my mother, is she? So the structure will be first statement, then positive, then plus statement plus operator plus subject or pronoun plus question marks. Statement plus operator, that operator will be positive. Okay. Operator, that means is. She is not my mother, she is she. Talib is a smart boy, isn't he? Add tag to the following following. Rubina was a brilliant student. Rubina was a brilliant student, wasn't she? You were not a player, they are our guests. We cannot do this now. He may come tomorrow. We should not disobey your parents. You could do it easily. They must not play bad. I have a pen. You had better go. The first one is Rubina was a brilliant student, wasn't she? It will be wasn't she. You were not a player. It will be were you. Were you? Okay? They are our guests, aren't they? They are our guests, aren't they? We cannot do this now. We cannot do this now. Can we? He may come tomorrow. He may come tomorrow, meant he. He may come tomorrow, meant he. Sorry, meant he. He may come tomorrow, meant he. We should not disobey our parents, should we? We should not disobey our parents, should we? You could do it easily, couldn't you? You could do it easily, couldn't you? They must not play bad, mustn't they? Sorry, must they? Since this is negative sentence, they must not play bad, so the answer will be positive. That means must they. They must not play bad, must they? I have a pen, haven't I or don't I? I have a pen, haven't I or don't I? You had better go, hadn't you or didn't you? Hadn't you? You had better go, hadn't you? So dear learners, please do it quickly. Write down this example in your notebook, please. Okay, dear learners, now we will go to next slide. How will you add tag if there is no operator in the statement? My mother cooks very well, doesn't she? My mother cooks very well, doesn't she? We play football regularly, don't we? He went to market yesterday, didn't he? Note, if there is V1 with S or ES at the tag quotient, does, doesn't or does. Okay, if you find V1 without S or ES, add with don't or do. If you find V2, that means past form of verb, add with didn't or did as operator. This is the rules. Okay, অর্থাৎ সাবজেক্ট যদি থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার হয় সেক্ষেত্রে ভার্বের সাথে এস বা ইএস যোগ থাকবে, সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা অবশ্যই ডাজ দিব ডাজ অথবা ডাজেন্ট। ওকে, আর যদি সাবজেক্টের সাথে এস বা ইএস যোগ না থাকে সেক্ষেত্রে ডোন্ট অথবা ডু। আর যদি ভার্বটা পাস্ট ফর্ম হয় সেক্ষেত্রে পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স হয় V2, দ্যাট মিনস ভার্বের পাস্ট ফর্ম হয় সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা ডিডেন্ট অর ডিড লিখব। ওকে, please write this example in your notebook and notes in your notebook, please. Every mother loves her child, don't they? Every mother loves her child, don't they? Nobody believes a liar, do they? Nobody is negative, so we have to write do they. Okay, exceptions. If you find S or ES after everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, somebody, someone, only one or none, the above rules will not be effective in that place. You have to add don't or doesn't. Okay, this is very important rules. So dear learners, please write down these rules in your notebook, please. If you find s or es after everybody, everyone, nobody, none, someone, someone, somebody, one or none, the above rules will not be effective. In that case or in that places you have to add don't they or do they. Okay, everyone respect him, don't they. Nobody likes a man of bad temper. Nobody likes a man of bad temper, do they. Never, rarely, seldom, hardly, barely and scarcely are treated as negative though they appear to be positive. They never come again. He never came again, did he? He never come again, did he? She can rarely come those days, can she? You hardly ever came late, did you? I barely know you, do I? You would scarcely expect her to the home, would you? Okay. More exception, I have a few friends, don't I or haven't I? I have few money, do I or have I? So when you will get a few, that means it will be negative, so the track quotient construction form will be positive. Sorry, a few that is negative, positive, so the track quotient form will be negative, don't I or haven't I. I have a few friends, that is positive, so that is negative. I have a few friends, only few, this is negative, so we have to use positive form, do I or have I. Okay, a few are little affirmative and only few are little negative. Clear? A few and a little, that is affirmative, and only few and little are negative. There is a little water in the jar, isn't there? There is little water in the jar, is there? I need your help, don't I? She needs a pen, doesn't she? But you need not worry, need you? I need not go there, need I. Okay, the first one is action verb, that do verb, so, and last, so you have to use don't or doesn't, and that is moral verb, so we will use only need plus subject, that is pronoun, plus question mark. Okay, if I had any scope, I would visit London, wouldn't I? Last year I had visited London, hadn't I? Follow, I would visit or I would be one. I would visited, that is I had visited. Okay, if I had in scope, if I had any scope, that is subordinate clause, and I would visit London, that is principal clause, so we will use principal clause. Okay, tag question in imperative sentence, follow me, will you, and don't stop, will you, go on, will you, please help me, will you, kindly do me a favor, will you, let me say something, will you, let him go, will you, let them enjoy the game, will you. Exception in one place, let us settle the matter, shall we, let us settle the matter, shall we. ask থাকলে we লিখব let's go for a walk, that is also shall we. Okay, dear learners, please write this example in your notebook quickly. Okay, now we'll go to next slide. Goodbye, don't I bet goodbye. Okay, don't I. Hassan, he is Hassan, isn't he? Hassan, he is Hassan, isn't he? Who cares? Nobody cares, do they? Who cares? Nobody cares, do they? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Isn't it? No, it is not. Is it? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, thank you. I beg, wish to say that all things it will be, don't I? Okay. This is your PR works. Add tag in every sentence of the following passage. This is your homework. Since you are staying at home, so you have to do it individually, so no need to do PR works. This is your individual works. Okay, Rohim is a good boy. He goes to school regularly. Everybody loves him. Once he went to visit Cox's Bazar. As he became ill, he could not visit Saint Martin. He told his friends, let's go back to Dhaka. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, dear learners. These are all for today. Thank you so much. Okay, dear students, thank you very much for your active participation in my class, and I think that you will also attend in your next class. Be safe and be healthy. Don't go outside without any emergency. Stay your home. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.